In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your residential address in Exness. Let's walk through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, sign in to your Exness personal area on the website or app. Once you're in, open the Settings or Profile section to view your account details. You'll notice that the residential address field isn't directly editable. That's intentional for security and regulatory compliance. Exness doesn't allow address changes to be made manually by users. To request the update, contact customer support from within your personal area. You can use live chat for a quick start or submit a support ticket if you prefer a written thread. Explain that you need to update your residential address. Provide the new address exactly as it should appear, and briefly state your reason for the change, such as moving to a new home. Support will ask you to submit a fresh proof of address. This is a recent document, typically a utility bill or a bank statement issued within the last 3 to 6 months. Make sure it shows your full name and your full residential address clearly, along with the issue date and the issuer's name or logo. A few tips here. Use a color photo or scan, avoid cropping the edges, and keep the document unedited and fully readable. Common formats like JPG, PNG, or PDF work well. Your name on the document should match your Exness account, and the address should match exactly what you're requesting to be added. P.O. boxes or workplace addresses aren't accepted. It must be your actual place of residence. If your document is in a language other than English, that's generally fine as long as the key details are clear. Once you've sent everything, support will review your proof of address to verify it meets compliance standards. If something isn't clear, they may ask for a better copy or a different document, so keep an eye on your messages. Processing times can vary, but you'll receive a confirmation once the change is approved and applied. After you get that confirmation, return to your profile and check that the updated address appears correctly. That's it. By logging in, reaching out to support, and providing a valid recent proof of address, you'll have your residential address updated securely and in line with regulatory requirements. If you run into any issues, stay within the support chat or ticket thread. Keeping everything in one place helps resolve your request faster.